Literacy. The traditional meaning of this word could be defined simply: the ability to read and write. In today's generation, however, the word became divided in many variants such as digital literacy, media literacy, visual literacy, and so on. People started looking for its deeper context. Literacy today means not just the ability to read and write, but also to comprehend and analyze encoded texts before sending, and the text you receive and decode in order to send the feedback. Being literate in today's time is essential because of its ginormous advantages in learning. The advantages of proficiency can be assuming self-assertively, delegated human, political, social, and financial. The human advantages frame literary works are identified with elements. For example, the enhanced confidence, strengthening, innovativeness, and basic reflection that interest in grown-up education programs and the active proficiency may deliver.
As mentioned, there are many kinds of literacy, but we will focus on our main topic: media, information, and technology literacy. Now let's define the three. Media literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and act using all forms of communication. Information literacy is the ability to know when there is a need for information, to be able to identify, locate, evaluate, and effectively use that information for the issue or problem at hand. Lastly, technology literacy is the ability to use new media such as the internet to access and communicate information effectively.
Let's elaborate the similarities and differences of the three by using a Venn diagram. Information literature is a library science. It concentrates on analyzing information, and its primary focus are skills that are related to research, like gathering, utilizing, and managing information. Media literature, on the other hand, is more connected to media industry social effects. It adopts more analytical approaches and has strong academic roots in media studies and social sciences, and its primary focus is on the analysis and the delivery of information through various forms of media, as we know that media these days has been very helpful in the field of communication. One thing that's similar about them is that they both enable people to interpret and make informed judgments. Now let's not forget the last kind, technology literacy, the foundation that made the other two, media and information literacy, to exist today. We can prove that this is indeed very essential because it organizes, utilizes, and creates all the information with just one click. Remember Google? With this, we can apply the newfound knowledge from the digital environment in the digital age. It also enables people to do collaboration easily and use the technology that we have to exchange files to one another home-based. It is similar with media literacy, as they both excel in the fields of visual literacy, knowledge building, and cultural competence. It is also similar with information literacy because they both find and use the gathered information. With the differences of the three kinds of literacies, they all have things in common. They enable people to become skillful creators and producers of information and media messages in their own right, and they are all important subject areas as they play an essential role in today's education curriculum.
One of the well-known reasons why people should be literate regarding mass communication is that it makes people more responsible citizens. These people understand that the media has been built to convey ideas, information, and news about someone else's point of view. Most of us, in fact all of us, depends on the media to know what's happening in our physical, social, economic, and political environment around us. almost everything we know about people, places, and events that we can see firsthand comes from this source only. In fact, it would not be wrong to say that tomorrow's world would be increasingly dominated by mass media and communications technologies. Generations of the future must understand how the media courses affect society. So in short, it can be safely concluded that the benefits of media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy cannot be ignored, and they continue to increase with an equal pace.